Xiaomi launches S Pro Mini LED 2026 TVs with 5200 nits brightness, 330Hz refresh rate and HyperOS 3. Xiaomi has officially opened pre-sales for its new TV S Pro Mini LED 2026 series in China. The lineup includes 65, 75 and 85-inch models, with launch prices set at 6,499 yuan, 909, 8,099 yuan, 1,147, and 10,499 yuan, 1,469, respectively. Xiaomi's official website also lists a 98-inch version priced at 19,999 yuan, 2,099, although it is unclear whether that pricing is final. Xiaomi TV S Pro Mini LED 2026 specifications. The 2026 series builds on last year's Mini LED platform and introduces key upgrades in brightness, display performance, and smart features. Xiaomi confirmed that all models support 4K resolution at 165 Hz with an optional 330 Hz refresh rate mode for gaming. The panels reach 5,200 nits peak brightness, while local dimming zones range from 1,792 on the 65-inch model to 3,864 on the 98-inch variant. Each display supports 95% DCI-P3 color gamut, 10.7 billion colors, and a professional-grade DE1 color accuracy rating. The TVs use a low-reflection wide-angle panel with a WHVA base and a specialized anti-glare coating that reduces surface reflectivity to just 0.5%. According to Xiaomi, this improves visibility in bright rooms and delivers better off-angle contrast than conventional displays. The chassis features a 4.35mm ultra-slim bezel and a 0.9mm black border, aiming for an immersive viewing experience. Each model runs on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 3, powered by a MediaTek 9655 chipset with a quad-core Cortex-A7 III CPU, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. The operating system supports a 4K UI, Xiaomi's Super Xiaomi voice assistant, and dynamic scene adjustments using ambient light sensors. Xiaomi includes its custom XM9000 image processor and master image engine, which handle motion compensation, AI-based upscaling, and real-time color tuning. The TVs also support Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Filmmaker Mode, VRR, MEMC, and FreeSync Premium Pro. Audio is powered by a 2.1 two-channel speaker system with 61W output tuned by Harman and includes 2 upward-firing units for Dolby Atmos surround effects. Xiaomi ships the TVs with a dual-height metal stand and a new ultra-slim silver remote, although it has not confirmed if the remote is metal. For connectivity, the TVs include 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, one with EARC, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, optical out, AV in, LAN, and antenna input. The TVs support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Xiaomi also added a millimeter wave radar system that detects viewer proximity and activates eye care alerts in kids mode. The TVs integrate into Xiaomi's My Home ecosystem and support multi-screen sports streaming features.